town of Rab, located on the island of Rab in Croatia, is one of the most charming and picturesque historical sites in the Adriatic. This ancient town, surrounded by medieval walls, is a blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Renaissance architecture. Old Town of Rab is exceptionally beautiful if you arrive via a boat. Step ashore and wander through the narrow cobblestone streets. You'll be enchanted by the beautifully preserved stone houses, tiny squares, and ancient churches. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the 4 iconic bell towers that define Rab's skyline. The highest one is the Belfry of St, a Romanesque masterpiece dating back to the 12th century. During the summer, it's open to the public, and you can get to very top of it to enjoy the spectacular view. Further inland from the old town is a beautiful park whose numerous paths wind around wooded hills all the way down to the beaches of Rab. The town's harbor, with its vibrant waterfront promenade, is lined with charming cafes, restaurants, and local shops. Here you can enjoy breathtaking views of the sea and nearby islands, or have a leisurely lunch at one of the many waterfront restaurants, savoring local delicacies and fresh seafood. Whether you're exploring the town's ancient churches, relaxing at a cozy cafe, or simply enjoying the views from the town's walls, Rab Old Town is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience Croatia's history and beauty. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.